Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is February 6, 2017, and this is my weekly trade review. We're changing things up a little bit. It probably won't be posted until the following week because what I'm doing, I got a little creating a webinar on Sunday afternoons where we're actually doing some trade review and reviewing trades and looking at the market for the upcoming week. If you'd like to get more details on that, just contact us to get me working on that and get that all in place where we can actually help you out there. Like I said, all this is for educational purposes only. Let me scroll down here to our disclaimer. Read it, read it, read it. Purpose, education. All our products and services solely provided solely for educational purposes only. Check out our YouTube page. This is where this video will be posted. And let's jump over to the video. Make sure you are seeing that page. Yep. Let's jump over to the trade. Switching pages. Boom. And like I say, this is the weekly trade review, February 6th, for the week of January 30th through February 3rd. Visit us at Right Side Trading. My email address, Solomon at rightsidetrading.com, or you can give me a call at 727-697-7709. That's 69QQQ09. Now, let's see, sure what screen are we on? Up. Let's give you a quick glimpse of that again. And let's, boom. On January 30th, it was down. January 31st was no trade or down, according to how you looked at the market that day. On February 1st, it was up. On February 2nd was no trade because of greater than 10, one of our rules. February 3rd, again, no trade based on one of our rules. Days. Okay, let me scroll back. On the January 30th, look, one more day back. Okay, good to the downside. Again, this was under. We have been going sideways for a while. Couldn't break this. This is a S1 level. We're on underneath the pivot, underneath S1. It couldn't break it down. It was a great trade on the downside. It went all the way through a couple of pivots. I remember getting a call on that and said, "Oh, it went through all the pivots." I said, "Yeah, that happens sometimes. Just play by the rules. It says down. Just follow it on down. Get your 10 points or more." Next day, no trade. Again, this was a no trade or down. It's all according to how you look at it. Again, this was one of those ones where, I saw it. It was going here. Didn't want to go up. Didn't want to go up and going down. But we got this big candle here. Based on this big candle, based on also this looking like a doji, it's a no trade for me. I'm one of those ones who's not real aggressive on playing the downside unless it's really clear, like it was the previous day. So it was a no trade. But some of my bearish friends, they actually played this thing down, and they played it down with their target to this pivot line right here, and it was a good trade for them. Okay, on this day here, this is disperse. It was up. Again, I like playing it to the upside, but this was if you had it set at 5 and you left it at 5 and you had a good entry, you would have got 5 points on this one. Other than that, you should have a small loss or a break-even trade. Don't take that big loss. Again, your loss should still have been no more once it came under pivot here and all. You're out of that trade. Here on this day, oh, I didn't mark this day, but this is the second. This was a no trade day because of this candle right here. This is a big candle. Again, the market was trending up, had been trending up and all, although we're coming up underneath the pivot. A lot of times you do look for on the pivot and stand on the pivot, and you did get a good down push on that first candle, That first candle came down to a support 1 and then an uptrending market, and you did get a good reversal, good pushback here on down, open here and went down even more, but you got a good pushback. And but if you play by one of the rules that I have greater than 10, this would have been a no trade. You'd have been watching this and you would look for the next play, and your first play has been a trade with the trend. You know, the trend was up, getting in with a bounce off this S1 level would have been a good trade. Right here on this day, Friday the 3rd. Remember this is a doji. I got this early morning, this 10:30, 8:30 pop. You know, which is coming off pivot popping, nice morning trade. Again, we're looking at the 9:30 opening trade. This again was a doji, a no trade at this R1 level that we know we have to be very careful of. The way this market has been trading, we didn't know. Again, that's why you have these rules in place to keep you out of bad trades. You know, me end up seeing this thing at this level. Don't know if it's going to break through and give us a nice run, or it's going to hit this level and reverse. And you got a doji, and you don't have 5 points to get to this line. So that's a doji, no trade. A lot of things are telling you there not to take that trade, and that's why you have your rules. And this thing just grind up and then actually did drop. But that's why you got rules in place to keep you out of bad trades or those slow grinding type trades that you may want to play those, but me, I like staying out of those type of trades. And that's what I'm trying to get you to see. You know, that's why you have these rules, and that's why I got these certain rules for myself and trying to show you these rules will keep you, you know, out of bad trades. So that was it. Switch back over, do a quick review again. What we had January 30th. It was a down. That was good for 10 points or more. On this day, it was a no trade, or the bearish guys did play this down, and they did real well on that one. On February 1st, it was an up, but you barely got 5. If you got that, or it might have been a break even, all according to how you played that trade. This was definitely a no trade for me, and no trade for most of us, greater than 10. And on February 3rd, this is a doji, no trade. Again, this is Solomon with Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. February 6th for the week of January 30th through February 3rd. I'm looking at this video will be posted out here on YouTube, where you can go out here and check these videos out. I'm also visit our website. I'm going to be looking to put up details on how to join us on Sunday with our weekly trade review, where we go into a little bit more details on these trades. This is Solomon again from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Chat with you later. Bye.